Hey guys, welcome back to my page. This is Lake Parramatta. Yep, Lake Parramatta. And this walk is about an hour and a half to 2 hours, right?
Yep.
Yes. And we were just across there, that side. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground already. I just fell and hurt my head there. But anyway, and here we are. So anyway, we're having a nice walk. And there's Michelle and Leroy and Bubba. Bubba's has been coming along with us for all this time, walking. Wherever we go, like the Vivid Festival. And everywhere we've been so far, Bubba has been asleep, which is amazing. That is awesome, Bubba. She just sleeps, which is so great. That means she's enjoying it. And she can say, I did that. I'd been through there. Anyway, I fell and, not fell, but I just hit my head when I was getting changed in the bathroom because I didn't want my feet to touch the ground. I was trying to put it from the shoe to the other shoe without touching the ground. So yeah, that's what happened, and I hit my head on the toilet roll. But it's all good. I'm okay. I found a stick. So here we are. Look at it. It's Parramatta River. Beautiful. Parramatta River. This is one of the best walks I like. I love going on these kind of walks. It's a beautiful day today. Perfect. Perfect to go outdoors and enjoy Parramatta River. First time I'm doing the walk. And first time for baby Lutta doing the walk as well. So, went to church this morning, got picked up, and then now we're coming to go for this amazing, beautiful walk. There's so much to do in Sydney. Still haven't covered everything. Last week we were in Bondi. Last week we were in Bondi, eh? Yeah, last week we were in Bondi. Oh, wow, look at all that. Yes. We were on that side of the road. We were at that side of the river. We're still getting around. So if you're out Parramatta way, come out to Parramatta River and do the walk. It's really nice. So much to see. Still so much to do. And I'm going back in 2 weeks' time. Okay. Thank you guys. Catch you on my next video. There's baby Lutta with the dad and the mum. Just enjoying it. Just enjoying it. Just enjoying the moment. Thank you guys. I'll catch you again on my next video. Subscribe to my page if you want to see more of my videos. Bye for now.